As Your Honor likely sees from the file, Mr. Lake was arrested on a $100,000 bond just this afternoon. I'm not sure if Your Honor recalls, but he was arrested a couple days ago on a $10,000 bond out of this court. He bailed out on the 21st, I believe, and then was out. The state filed an amended complaint that alleged this new offense of attempted sexual intercourse without consent, and the court signed a new bond on which he was arrested today. I give the court that background to say that the state's asking that the court impose a $100,000 bail in this case. I understand that he's posted some bail on his previous case, and it may have been, I think he used a bail bondsman, so he probably posted $1,000. The state wouldn't have any issue with that rolling over into this new bail since it's the same charges.
Sure.
As far as the reasons for that, Your Honor, as the court can see from the affidavit, this was a fairly brutal attack on a woman, a friend of the defendants who had been attempting to help him. He perpetrated it in daylight, in public. And my understanding, though he gave the court an address, is that he is currently homeless. He doesn't have a place to live. In short, the state believes he's a danger to the community. If he was to be released, Your Honor, if he posted bond, I'd ask that he be required to report to PTS, but would not object to a screen for PTS if he remains in custody. Again, I want him on a GPS monitor. That's largely because I believe he's a transient, and this attack occurred in a park, in a place where other people might be exposed to the same violence if we weren't able to keep track of him or have somebody checking in with him. Lastly, my understanding is that he has some mental health issues and has previously been treated at Western Montana Mental Health. I'm not clear on as to the extent of what his treatment has been or who he's been involved with, but what I'd ask the court to order is either a mental health evaluation so we can get a handle on exactly what treatment he needs, or if he's currently engaged with Western Montana Mental Health, for him to sign releases so that PTS or whoever else is monitoring him can ensure his compliance with medication or treatment appointments or whatever else. And then beyond that, Your Honor, I just ask for the standard conditions of no contact with the victim and no alcohol, drugs. I don't believe that alcohol or drugs were involved in